So, around a year ago, I got a random thought. What if I could generate my resume the same way I generate code using some AI tools? For example, V0, Lovable, and Replit. I kept thinking about it for hours, like same usual overthinking. But after that, I opened my laptop, started building it. At that time, I wasn't thinking about money. I just had an idea and I knew how to execute it. So I just tried that thing. So first of all, I started with the UI. I used V0 to generate a simple landing page. Then I downloaded that code and opened it in VS Code and started changing things. Then I created a sample app from that. And honestly, it was really bad. I created it to generate resumes, but the output was really bad. It was not clear. It was not able to handle tables. Different designs were breaking. The PDFs did not look usable. But even after that, I shared it on X in the building public community. I just said I was building something like this. I was not expecting anything, but I got a reply. Someone said it would be more useful if it could generate invoices. Then I thought if people need something like that, I have to build that. So I shifted the idea. Instead of just a resume updater or generator, I turned it into a AI PDF generator. After that, I started building it more seriously. I added authentication so users could log in, created API routes, reworked the PDF generation logic. Slowly, it started getting better. I was not doing any marketing, like no ads, but somehow traffic started coming from Google. First around 100 users, then 300, and then 500. That's when I realized people actually want this, and I tried to monetize it. And this part was so hard, especially from India, because Stripe did not work, Lemon Squeezy did not work. Most tools don't support India properly. So I integrated Razorpay instead. In Razorpay, local payments worked, but international payments were really messy. And then again, I posted about this on X, and someone told me about Dodo Payments. They handle they handle international payments and taxes. So I removed Reserve and integrated Dodo Payments. After some time, I got my first payment, $2.49. It sounds small, but for me it was huge. After that, I invested back into the product. I bought a custom domain, set up proper email, improved dashboard, and fixed the PDF design related issues. Later, I added subscription. Over the next few months, I made around $50 from users. It was slow, but slowly but consistent. I also tried ads like Monetag, and honestly, it was not worth it. Google AdSense rejected my sites multiple times. Each rejection forced me to fix something. Eventually, I got approved. AdSense alone made around $45. That's when I crossed around $100 from my app. That was my first $100 from an app. But things things still break. There are a lot of bugs, payment issues, and PDF failures. But I keep fixing things. I'm still building this, still learning, and still fixing. If you want to check what I built, you can check in the description. Have added the link. If you want more content like this, you can also check out my blogs or subscribe to my channel.